Let me tell you of a day when the earth stood still. The birds stopped mid-flight and the sun felt a chill. The planets that revolve, winds made tranquil. The oceans even rose as her eyes did fill. A day of human suffering, of the likes unseen, aftermath that will remain till the day of reckoning. Innocent souls slain with the force of hurricane, and the truth made sick by no one to questioning. Now, once upon a time ain't how this story goes, and the land of which we talk ain't as far as we're told. It's a recent event, not a story of old. 18 years of injustice, still a case not closed. Terrorist in our midst, hypothesis put to act of evil. Some bodies ain't too far from the truth, but the villain we're dealing with ain't Arab or Pashtun. Ain't no bombs involved, or towers times two. See, the terror's corrupt, so the motive's quite clear. Ain't no honor involved, just a hungry profiteer. Let me cut to the chase, tell you all quite straight. Poor Baal is the theme, and we ain't leaving till you're here. On the 3rd of December, 1984, midnight struck the clock, announcing death at the door. Like a thief in the night with indiscriminate sight, a beast was unleashed from the white man's venture. Now, race ain't an issue, so relax now your head. I ain't here to cause trouble, be intolerance led. The picture that I paint's from a next viewpoint. Thousands of Indians named and the thousands dead. So the phrase that I use is to benefit you. From the victim's standpoint, how we see this issue. Let's recourse back from my sensitive trip and deal with the matter which I set out to do. A chemical factories where the scene was set. Union Carbides, how the placards were read. A leak they could prevent, safety measures underspent, caused a poison cloud to be shot out and spread. People dying still today and tomorrow, but anyway, if the truth is too much for you to even hear, and you'd rather I chat about Santa and reindeer, then I hate to offend those sensitive ears. But you all can walk away or confront your inner fears. What I'm saying is all true, it's what money can do, but I can't explain the greed those people had a part too. Those suits and those ties and those smiles so right, they're the cause of this cry. Yet you try to deny that we breed terrorists in a deceitful guise. Dignified handshakes, fistful of lies. Please let me know as it defies my belief how the value of people seems dependent on their creed. Yes, genocide seems a worthy price to pay for a loss of bit of profit and a westerner's delay. Thank you.